Fight against hordes of enemies and collect their souls to gain special soul power attacks. Try to survive against various monsters for 30 minutes on each of the 5 challenging maps. You can aim your weapon in all directions with your mouse or the right stick of your gamepad. But keep your stamina in mind, each swing and dodge will drain part of it. Johou Battle is a bullet hell shoot 'em up game that takes 2 challenging boss fights with unique playable characters. 4 difficulty levels await and adjust the starting lives so you can take on Johou Battle at your own skill level or give yourself a tougher challenge. Critter Garden is a relaxing creature collector and farming life sim that is full of surprises. You are an intergalactic biologist that finds yourself stranded on the desolate planet and it is devoid of life. With the help of the planet's life-supporting AI, explore the planet to find lost parts to your ship and return home. Starlight Legacy is a non-linear RPG inspired by the classics, created with beautiful 2D pixel art graphics, an exciting turn-based battle system, and a non-linear story where the 4 provinces of the kingdom can be explored in any order of your choosing. Dive into the dynamic world of Asteroid King, a game where accelerating pace meets innovative gameplay. This game isn't just about speed and action, it's a celebration of engaging mechanics and exhilarating excitement. For those seeking a gaming experience that combines classic charm with fresh features, Asteroid King is your perfect match. Drop into the shoes of Lin, a new arrival in the Barclay Reserve, a hub connecting dreamers together, which has been taken over by the Soul King. He holds each dreamer in his grip, submerging them deep into layers of dreams or nightmares. Lin must break each dreamer free of their chains by delving into their personal dreamscape and fighting the ferocious minions of the Soul King. In Crystal Comet, team up with your squad and take on the galaxy in this frantic twin-stick space shooter. Play single player with the AI or drop in and out of local co-op. This game features randomized spawns, multiple characters, and multiple routes through the story as well as multiple endings. Crystal Comet, the video game, offers plenty to keep you coming back for more with short replayable gaming sessions.